Greetings, friends. Our team has prepared a review for you on registering and entering the HOTCODE promo code of 1xBet. In this video you will find out how to register and redeem your HOTCODE promo code for today's 2023, which will give you up to €1,500 plus 150 freebies on your deposit. You will find the link below the video and the HOTCODE promotion code can be copied there too. The undisputed market leader in interactive betting throughout the former Soviet Union today is the bookmaker's office 1xBet. This brand in the field of betting is very well known. Moreover, the office has an impeccable reputation, authority and trust of the players not only in the former Soviet Union, but also in foreign countries. Unlike many betting companies, 1xBet operates legally. BK1xBet operates under a license obtained from the island of Curacao, so it is legal in many countries. The company was founded in Moscow in 2007. 1xBet has been regularly rated as one of the best bookmakers in the world, and maintains operations in 45 languages, the most popular being Russian and English. The bookmaker was created for the Russian-speaking audience, but in the end 1xBet has become an international brand capable to offer a competitive product for non-Russian betting fans as well. The owner of the brand is Cypriot company 1x Corp NV. The licensing rights are held by the offshore company AKOM Latin America NV. Despite its offshore status, the 1xBet betting company is constantly included in regularly published ratings due to its popularity. As a rule, the position of this office in the rankings is high. This is evidenced by the high user rating and the level of confidence in the work of the BC on the part of players and expert community. 1xBet now has over 500,000 players and the low margins and good odds are attracting more and more people. Going to the official website of offshore bookmaker 1xBet, you'll see the predominance of blue and white. The green buttons are very comfortably positioned and softly stand out, but don't interfere with the overall concept of the site. But how do you get the bonus? First, of course, you have to register on 1xBet. By clicking the sign up button, we are offered 4 options on how we can sign up. Maximum bet, set by the organizer for each event separately. First option is one click, you select your country, be sure to select your currency as bonus is converted to your amount, and promo code HOTCODE, which you already see on the screen, choose if you want sports or casino bonus, and then click register. If you go to the second option, register by phone, then you will be asked to enter your phone number, choose a currency, enter the promotion code HOTCODE, and then you will need a code which will come to your phone number, then choose your bonus, and that's it, you are registered. Let's move on to the option of registration by mail. This is a bit more complicated and longer, but we recommend it. You enter your country, region, city you live in and only then choose currency. Then you enter your email, phone number, first name and last name. And most important, a password. There is now a mandatory requirement for you to enter your HOTCODE promotional code, and you can choose if you want a casino or sports bonus. And we're down to our last option, which is the option to sign up via social media or messenger. Here, it's quite simple, you choose your network option and just wait for all your details to be pulled up, then simply choose the currency and your country. The bonus is automatically credited when you make a deposit. We thank you for watching our video. Write a review in the comments if you got the bonuses, big winnings and fast payouts to you.